John Michailidis, Real Property Management, Sarasota, Manatee. So what is this extreme value plan that everybody's talking about? Well, quite frankly, it is the best thing in property management since sliced bread. Imagine all of the tools that professional property managers have at their disposal, yet you remain in total control of your property and your expenses, most particularly your maintenance expenses. So check this out. We handle all the leasing. So the showings, the advertising, the tenant screening, the lease preparation. Then we handle the move-in inspection, collecting the deposits. We do all of that stuff. Now, we set the tenant up with an online payment portal so they pay their rent electronically every month. No excuses of lost checks. And then we direct deposit the funds into your bank account, your grandma's bank account, whatever account you tell us to. We also prepare monthly bookkeeping statements so you have all of your income outlined, PDF files for every month to hand over to your accountant at the end of the year. We even prepare the IRS required 1099 form for all the income, so the bookkeeping is taken care of, the leasing is taken care of, the rent collection is taken care of, the depositing to your account is taken care of. But here's the secret sauce. We hook you up through our 24-hour, 7-day-a-week, 365-day-a-year maintenance call center hotline. They're going to answer the maintenance calls. They're going to do some troubleshooting. If they can fix it over the phone, guess what? Nobody ever bothered you. If they can't troubleshoot it over the phone, they're going to do a triage. Emergency, non-emergency. Emergency, you're going to get called even if it's 2 o'clock in the morning. Non-emergency, you're going to get notified during business hours. Now, it's going to be up to you to call the plumber, call the electrician, call the handyman. But having our 24/7, 365-day-a-year maintenance hotline call center working for you means all the nuisance calls are going to be severely cut down. You're only going to be bothered with true emergencies, and yet you're in control of the maintenance. You can hire whoever you want. I'm telling you, if you don't see the value, do-it-yourself landlords, you're out of your mind. So let's say you just don't want to be involved in property management. Tenants and toilets and phone calls at 11 p.m. are just not your thing. That's what the Premier Plus service is about. You will have 2 responsibilities if we take over the management of your property under the Premier Plus plan. You check your bank account every month to make sure your direct deposit hits, and you check the statement that we upload to the online owner portal that we assign you to look at your financial statement every month. That's it. We handle the tenant, the leasing, the maintenance calls, the routine complaints and hullabaloos that go part and parcel with dealing with tenants and managing properties. And there's a lot of extras in that plan that the vast majority of property managers will charge you extra for. They're included. So free maid service at move out, free lockery keys at move out, AC filter delivery right to the door. So the AC filter change, do you know you cut 30% of the maintenance expense, the repair expense of AC systems simply by changing the filters regularly? So we send the filters right to the door. Tenant just pops them in. So there's a lot of pluses. Eviction protection. There's going to be eviction for non-payment of rent. We pick up that cost, right? There's going to be a re-rent guarantee. If that tenant craps out anytime within the first year, doesn't matter why, and we got to release that property, no leasing fee. So the Premier Plus plan is for those of you that want soup to nuts, hands-off service. Don't bother me, just send me my money. John Michailidis, Real Property Management in Sarasota, Manatee. Hope you're having a great day because I am. God bless you, and bye-bye.